Hi, I'm Dr. Judith Beck, president of Beck Institute for Cognitive Behavior Therapy, a nonprofit organization in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'd like to invite you to join one of our live virtual workshops this year. We have over 30 topics, including CBT for depression, trauma-informed CBT for youth, recovery-oriented cognitive therapy for individual and group therapy, and many more. Workshops are presented by our expert faculty and run for 1, 2, or 3 days. Each workshop incorporates presentations from faculty, case examples, and opportunities for interaction with faculty and other trainees. Visit our training catalog today to learn more and to register for an upcoming workshop.